When we staff ISI, it's really can be really creative, and that's what I love about it. Some districts just don't have the ability to staff it with what way they call a professional staff, if you will, like a teacher, a counselor, a psychologist, and that's okay. That's okay. I have staffed ISI with a teacher. I have staffed in-school intervention with a counselor. I have staffed it with 2 paraprofessionals. I've staffed it with a teacher and a para. I've staffed it with 2 full-time paras and a part-time para. So we can be very creative as long as we understand that if we are going to staff it with our paraprofessionals, that we have somebody who's going to make sure that is going to be behind them to support them. I think the most important thing about staffing ISI is really the temperament. Is we've got to have somebody who really, really loves these kids, doesn't want to be the warden, all right, but is able to balance when to be the warden and when they really have to have some conversations, hard conversations with kids. There's got to be a very balanced temperament of somebody who's going to hold those kids accountable, but also have that compassion for them and understand that these kids are struggling. But we also have to be able to be okay when things don't go well. I was in a situation once where I had 2 or 3 kiddos that were in-school intervention. It was a high school situation. And another kiddo walked in, went to the back of the room, grabbed one of the students by the shirt and proceeded to pummel him. And so at that moment, I had to make sure I had good collaboration with the staff, that I knew some techniques to de-escalate, that I opened a door immediately and someone had to answer that call. I exited the rest of the children and somebody came in and helped me. So there are sometimes bizarre things. I might have a little kid in-school intervention that other kids can't be in there with them. And I've had that experience too, because the child is so upset and so escalated that they just start tearing the room apart. And so there will be those moments as an in-school intervention coordinator or staff member that you've got to be able to be okay with that and then walk away the next day and go, okay, I'm good. I got this.